All right, hey, welcome back to our channel. So today is the big day that everybody's been waiting for, especially all of our awesome audience. So today is the day we do the burn pile. A couple of things here real quick as far as what you really need when you're doing a big fire like this is obviously you need a little bit of diesel fuel. Hopefully we won't need too much of that. I always bring a chainsaw with me just in case I need it, but I'm probably not going to. Gloves, got Peyton on the drone, everybody's hanging out, and let's get this party started.
He was in the bathroom, going to the bathroom.
Oh, there we go. That was a good job.
I caught that on video. Isn't that lovely?
Oh, isn't that lovely?
Wasn't expecting that. That was a good job, right, guy?
I can't go down the hill.
Well, you slipped, but you're okay, right? You're big and strong.
Hi.
I don't want to go down the hill.
It's okay. Say hi.
Father and son. Sons working on that.
All right, guys, so we're just kind of doing a little follow-up because we had a burn pile like 10 days ago, and so my son Peyton has been doing some work for a neighbor, and he basically brought all the brush over here. This thing's been out for about a week, It's been raining, and it goes to show you that the ground is still super hot. I mean, because Peyton's not even here. My father-in-law said, "Hey Brian, you know you have a burn pile going in your backyard?" I'm like, "That's impossible." Well, it's not impossible. So we brought down the tractor to kind of manage this. It's not really much of a burn pile, but it's enough. That wood is just dry enough to where it ignited. And man, I tell you what, I'm glad that my father-in-law saw this, but it's relatively wet down here, but you never take any chances. Never take any chances. So there you have it. A week later.
Kubota, getting her done.
Get her done. Get her done. Get her done.
You're so silly.